Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Davrosius Lebe. You can call me Dava. I am from Manggarai. I am stay Malnusa. My hobby is playing football. My favorite food is fried rice. I'm 19 years old. Okay, this is my family tree. Grandparents, my grandfather name Paulus Latong, my grandmother name Agnes Sala, my aunt name Yunita Bunga, my parents, my father name Yusensus Labi, my mother name Wilhelmina Pio, my younger sister name Renita Sala, my younger brother name Marcelinus Lozan. Okay, thank you.